Hey everyone, so here's how to create a company page on LinkedIn. First, open up your web browser and search for LinkedIn, and from the results, click on the first link, which is the official website of LinkedIn. So once you're in the LinkedIn website, you need to make sure that you're logged in to your account. If not, then log in. After that, you need to click on For Business on the top panel. Then, click on Create a Company Page on the bottom of this section. On the next page, you will get to see multiple options. From here, you need to click on Company. So once you're in the next page, you need to fill in all the details. Start with your company name. And under the name is your LinkedIn URL. Then type in your website URL, industry, organization size, and then your organization type. And once you're done, you can also upload your logo over here. Now fill in your company tagline if you want. Then just check this verification box and you're all good to go. Just click on Create Page. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.